Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is correlation. Let's start. What is correlation? First of all, what is correlation? So, in real life, we come across various situations in which two variables are interrelated, so that a change in the value of one variable may result in a change in the value of other variables. So, correlation means relationship between two variables. For example, इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड प्रॉफिट में रिलेशनशिप, इन्वेस्टमेंट जितना मोर एंड मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा इन्वेस्टर, उससे उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉफिट भी इंक्रीज होगा. सेकेंड एग्जांपल, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में रिलेशनशिप, इफ पीपल्स इनकम इंक्रीजेस देन एक्सपेंडिचर आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. ओके, वन मोर एग्जांपल, इफ प्राइस इंक्रीजेस of the product, then supply by producers also increases. So in all the examples, change in the value of one variables may result a change in the value of other variables. So correlation means relationship between two variables. Okay, now measures of correlation. In correlation analysis, we would like to measure the extent to which two are variables related. In other words, correlation analysis measures the degree of association of the two variables. So there are various methods of measuring correlation. The important methods are as one is scatter diagram, second one is Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation, and last one is Spearman's rank correlation coefficients. Okay, in this video we will talk about scatter diagram in detail. Okay, so let's start scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a graphic expression of the degree and direction of correlations. So the simplest method of studying the relationship between two variables is the scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a graphic expression of the degree and direct relation of correlation. In this method, the given data are plotted on the graph paper in the form of dots. Each dot shows a particular pair of value of two variables. Okay, say x and y are two variables. To draw a scatter diagram, we will take axis coordinate, plotting the values one variable. Generally, independent variable are on the horizontal y-axis, x-axis, and the value other variable, dependent variable, on the vertical axis, y-axis. A particular pair values of two variables x and y is shown by a dot. So let's start one by one. There are 5 degrees. First one is perfectly positive correlations. Okay. When we talk about perfectly positive correlation, I talk about perfectly correlation. Suppose x is my variable and y one variable and y is my another variable. See diagram here, x y variables. We plotting my data on graph plotted, data come straight line. One variables की increase होने से another variable also increases. So here increasing in one variables, x variables, y variable also increases. That is positive relations and dotted line come on straight line, so here is perfect positive. Here one more thing is that when one variable x increases, then other variable y also increases. Yes, this is implies positive correlation. Here r is equal to correlation is equal to 1. Okay. Secondly, perfectly negative correlation. Now here it is downward, it is downward, left to right. Yes, it also makes a straight line. Yes, dotted are in a straight line, makes a straight line and paint are points, and points are on a straight line but in downward direction, left to right. It means one is increasing, so here one is increasing, another one is decreasing. See, decreasing. Okay, so this is perfect negative correlation. Okay. Third one is positive correlation. Now here positive correlation, so here dots are close to the line, not on line but to the line. Yes, close to the line but they are not on the line. Yes, in perfect correlation, पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन में डेटा डॉटेड ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पर होते थे. Dotted are not line but they are not on the line, they are moving from left to right, in the positive direction. Yes, one is increasing, so here one variable is increasing, also second variable, another variable increasing. So but dots are not straight line, so though it is positive but not perfect positive. Okay, this is the third. Fourth one is negative correlations. Here again line, again these dots are not on the straight line. Yes, one is increasing, another one is decreasing, one is increasing, another one is decreasing, but the dots are not straight line. Yes, not straight line, so here there is a negative correlations, not perfect negative, there is negative correlations. Okay, and last one is absence correlations. So see diagram here, the diagrams dots are scattered. Yes, positive, neither positive nor negative, they are scattered. So scattered, not positive, कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं इनका, so not negative, they are scattered. So if we get the dots like this diagram is, so there is no correlation between two variables. Okay.